Here the 3-inch hose follows the river down, and it's coming gradually out of the river. And over to the right side here is a waterfall about 10 meters or 30 foot tall, but the water comes to here to this barrel. This is at a 45-degree angle. The water comes in, we can adjust the water here. Normally we have this closed about 50%. And in here the water arrives goes down, overflow goes out this pipe that goes out there. So that is the water that is coming in the filter but is not needed by the turbine. And clearly we're filtering about double the water that we need for the turbine right now. So because of that, we can close this. We're going to close it at about a 45-degree angle to not use so much water in the filter. Okay, there is a 3-inch pipe with like 300 quarter-inch holes in it. That is the water that goes to the turbine. The holes are to make sure that no stones big enough to plug up the jets in the turbine can enter into the system. Although normally no stones arrive here. If we have a failure of the filter, that could happen. And from the bottom of this tank there is a hole about 3/4 of an inch that goes out there. So any sediment or small stones or mud that goes to the bottom actually goes out and does not go into the turbine system. Here we can see where, because I closed the valve, we're now using most of the water that's coming down. I'm going to open it a little more. Gradually we'll have more water there. The water then goes out a 2-inch hose about 400 meters with about 60 meters of fall down to the turbine. You can see a black tire inner tube rubber there. That is a breather hole that we have to open to let water out of that pipe for a little while to get the flow started. This sits here. It's set on concrete. It works really good. Because it's at an angle, I can reach in there to the bottom of the barrel if I need to clean it. That makes it easier to clean. And to turn off the system here, it's very easy. We just pull this. This pipe is set in a 45-degree angle elbow in the bottom, and we just pull it out. That will stop the water to the turbine. We put it back in and the barrel fills back up. So the water goes out there through a hole in the side of the barrel down to the turbine. You can probably see it going down the blue hose down there. Now that's 10 meters below us already. It goes down there and another 350 meters to the turbine.